Alright, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video, no cap. So, in today's video, we gotta fix the car again, bro. We gotta fix the car again so we can try to make it out of town this time. We missed the last event because the car caught on fire. I ain't show y'all that, but the car caught on fire, bro, and I had to fix it. But now we got another problem. And what's that another problem? My exhaust is hanging off the car, bro. Like, I'm finna start the car so y'all can hear it. Hopefully it'll start the first try. So I changed the fuel pump again. I don't think I recorded that because I was tired, bro. I just had to do it. So I done changed the fuel pump again. You can probably hear it. But you see how it's having like a sound issue? So now we gotta go and try to get the fuel pump driver module from a junkyard, because I got the new fuel pump in there, and as you hear it started normal, but it's having voltage issues. I checked everything in the fuel pump, everything is good. So we got two things to fix today. We gotta go get my exhaust. I got some new V-bands for the front, because at first I got 3 bolt flanges in. They were just trash, bro. They just steady breaking, so, or the bolts steady falling out. So we're finna go get these V-bands welded on, and I gotta go to the junkyard and get me a new fuel pump driver module. And I pray that works. So I'm finna start the car up so y'all can hear it and listen to my car sound. Y'all can tell the difference, but like the exhaust is right under my feet. I can feel it shaking. Like, look at this. Look how the camera's shaking. So we finna go ahead and get that took care of, and then we finna head to the muffler shop right now. So I'll catch y'all when we get there. My rear end keep leaking. I don't know how to fix it. And I had to do this the other day. I'm gonna see if I can get them to fix it. All right, y'all, so we got it done. Let's see what it sound like. Sound back normal. Make sure this thing don't cut off. Sound back normal. That's cool. Sound back normal. It sound better because it ain't got all that exhaust leak noise. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm gonna see if I can slide this up out here.
You're going to jail.
Sound good. But you know it's crazy. Every time I get my car done, it sounds like my car get quieter and quieter, fam. Like. Sound good though, I guess. Sound better. So now we gotta head to the junkyard, and now we gotta go get this fuel pump module thing. So now we gotta head to the junkyard. I need to go get me some Allen wrenches, but I think that's what it's held on by. So once we go do that, I'm gonna catch up with y'all, and I'm gonna catch y'all in just a second. Alright y'all, I just left the junkyard and I got everything that I need, but I gotta try to pull this off right here. I think this was wrong with my car. Oh my God. It's the old one, so I don't know. Pray this work. Alright, got the old one out, got the new one in. We're finna see what this car doing now. Got the keys. Hopefully it should make a loud prime noise. what I just did, all I did was go move some wires around in the back, and now it's working, but I don't know if it's fixed or not. We're gonna see how I rock out for the next couple of days, but I'm gonna go take this back, get the core, and then we gonna head back to the house. See if I can show y'all this. The fuel cycles went down. At first they were going to like 40, but I mean it went down, so I'm thinking it might have worked, but we gonna have, only time will tell. But as you see, we back on the road. It's a little bit more quiet in here because all the exhaust coming out the back. So it's kind of different not hearing the car in the inside now. It sounds a little quieter, but I know on the outside it's still loud. But yeah, we headed back to the house, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put I already put that little module on, so everything feel like it's doing all right. So when I get back to the house, I'm gonna put this little AC container thing I got on, and that was it. That's probably gonna be it for this video. So I'm gonna catch y'all in just a moment. All right, y'all. So it's a little bit later. I went and chilled for a little minute. Now we gotta fix this because this is the issue. If you look at this plug right here, as you can tell, is the belt literally been wore through the connector. So I'm thinking that what might got my air not working, and I think the wire that made my car catch on fire, because I can show y'all now. Well, you probably can't see it, but up in there, this wire, all this right here was on fire, like literally, like all this was on fire. But I got that figured out, got that fixed. It ain't caught on fire again, so I should be good on that part. Now what I'm gonna fix is, what I didn't show y'all at the junkyard, is this part right here. Let me turn the flash on. Alright, so if you notice, this part right here is no longer connected. Like, this was literally pushed up against that, and it was eating the belt up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set y'all up, so I can go ahead and knock this out the way. I got this out. Now I'm finna grab the other one I got. This is the new one. Basically just clip these into these little holes right there. You see that one got that one right there? You gotta do it right. Damn. You put these in. This one go this way. The other one go on the opposite side. You just close it in. And that's pretty much it. So you gotta screw it back into the car. So now I'm gonna I gotta try to make this fit back up in there. Put it up in there. The other bolt go? I might just put 2 bolts in this one.